The atomic populations, which are used in the following calculations, can be found in the online help for Gaussian. We will start by optimizing the geometry of the neutral molecule. We will use an oriented basis set optimized to provide accurate reactivity indices. The reference for this basis set can be found in the video description. Calculations have been performed using different population analyses for the neutral molecule and the +1 and -1 ions. The corresponding FCH files have also been obtained. Now we will launch the UCA-Fukui program and open the application to calculate reactivity descriptors using the finite difference approach in combination with the Hirshfeld population analysis. The reference to the publication describing the program can be found in the video description. The download link for the software is also available in the video description. Next, we open the application to calculate reactivity descriptors using the finite difference approach in combination with the populations obtained from the natural bond orbitals analysis. Finally, we open the application to calculate reactivity descriptors using the finite difference approach in combination with the minimum basis set Mulliken population analysis. In this comparison, it can be observed that the three population analyses provide similar results. Finally, we will use the indices to Mulliken program to create a visual representation of the descriptors calculated for the studied molecule.